Hello and welcome to our update on what's happened in the digital team this week. You may remember last week I talked about the go live of shifts to all our food store colleagues. At the start of the last week we had 4,200 users. We've now got an incredible 17,500 users. Plus 93% of our stores have at least one user and 65% of users are accessing it daily. Well done to Chris and the team, you're doing a fabulous job, thank you. Linda Humphreys and Emma Coleman both did an amazing job this week representing Co-op. Linda talked about the positive effects of working in the open at Camp Digital, and Emma was at the Cooperative Education Conference, sharing the story of Federation, talking co-ops, digital and democracy. Talking of events, we've just announced the first in the Federation Present series. On the 30th of May, we are really proud to host an evening where we talk about modern slavery in tech with the incredible Mary Mazzio. Mary joins us in the Federation to talk about her documentary, I Am Jane Doe. It's a look at how tech can be an enabler of modern slavery without appropriate regulation. Mary will talk about her decision to make the film and the role it has played in generating such focus on the issue and the political and social response. She'll then be joined by Co-op's Director of Policy and Campaigns, Paul Gerard, and Craig Melson, Programme Manager at Tech North, on a panel hosted by our CMO, Matt Atkinson. We'll add the link to our blog, be sure to get your tickets early. Our user researchers have been thinking about what underpins the way they work, and as a result they've created some principles. We published them this week on our blog, and James and the team would love to hear what you think about them. We've already had some great feedback via Twitter, which we really appreciate. Finally, thank you to Richard Sullivan and Kim Morley, who ran another digital masterclass this week. We had a great mix of Co-op colleagues from across our businesses and from lots of different disciplines. The feedback was brilliant, and we'll be running another this month. If you're a Co-op colleague, watch this space for the date. Also, you can contact Richard or Kim if you want to know some more about it. That's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe for all our updates on our blog and follow us on Twitter. See you next week.